Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. And what's the greatest thing that's come out of Canada? In my opinion, it's maple syrup. In particular, this brand, Pure Maple Syrup, is my favorite. So I love the fact that right away on the tin, it tells you where it was made. So that is in Quebec, Canada. And I love the fact that as well, there's one ingredient. It's just pure maple syrup. There's nothing else added. Obviously, maple syrup is delicious with pancakes, with waffles, with bacon. But personally, I like to bake with maple syrup. I try to avoid using a lot of refined sugars in my baking, so I find by substituting maple syrup, you still get that wonderful sweetness in all your recipes, but you know that it's a lot healthier using a natural sweetener. Let me show you how I use this maple syrup in my muffins. So my recipe called for half a cup of sugar, so I am substituting half a cup of beautiful maple syrup for my recipe. You can see the nice dark color. The darker the color, the sweeter the maple syrup. You can see how beautiful and thick the maple syrup is. I'm making banana muffins, and I know the combination with maple syrup and bananas is gonna taste so good. So this maple syrup comes in this really great tin can. What I like to do is I make a small hole using a can opener right in the top, you can see, so then it can pour out, and then I store it in the fridge until I'm ready to use it again. So you're going to love this maple syrup. It's rich, deep, mapley sweet taste. You'll be loving it as well as your whole family. And that's my point of view.